Imagine this. You walk into a restaurant, order a bowl of beef noodle soup, and find out the broth you're about to eat has been simmering. Not for hours, not for days, not even for months, but for over 45 years. Sounds impossible? Well, believe it or not, it's true. Welcome to Believe It or Not, the show where weird is real and the truth is stranger than fiction. I'm your host, Bryan, and today's story takes us to Bangkok, Thailand, where a family-owned restaurant called Wattana Panich has been serving up steaming bowls of soup for decades. But this isn't just any old soup. It's what's known as a perpetual stew, sometimes nicknamed Hunter's Stew or Forever Soup. And by forever, we really mean forever. Here's how it works. Instead of making fresh broth every day, the chefs keep the same gigantic pot simmering all the time. Every day, they add fresh beef, herbs, and spices. And every day, customers scoop out delicious bowls of soup. The key? The broth never gets thrown out. Instead, it keeps cooking, absorbing new flavors and becoming richer and more complex over time. At Wattana Panich, their legendary beef noodle soup has been bubbling away since the late 1970s. That's more than 16,000 days of nonstop simmering. Just imagine, every bowl you eat there is connected to decades of flavor history. Chefs say the broth has a unique depth that you can't get any other way, like history and flavor blended together in every spoonful. Some even joke that the soup is like a living time machine for your taste buds. And this isn't a totally new idea. Perpetual stews have been around for centuries. Back in medieval Europe, inns and taverns often had a single pot of stew that never stopped cooking. Travelers and villagers could drop in, grab a meal, and add ingredients of their own. In fact, one famous French inn was said to keep its stew going for 300 years straight. But Wattana Panich is one of the most famous modern examples. People travel from all over the world just to taste it. The pot itself is enormous, about the size of a small bathtub. And the family carefully cleans the sides every night without ever letting the broth stop bubbling. It's a delicate balance of tradition, cooking skill, and a whole lot of patience. So, the next time you think leftovers in your fridge are old, just remember, somewhere in Thailand, a pot of soup has been cooking longer than your parents have probably been alive. Now, here are a few fun facts about our podcast. The idea of perpetual stew dates back to at least the 14th century. That's over 700 years of cooking experience. Next, Wattana Panich serves about 150 bowls a day from their legendary pot. Also, in medieval times, stews were sometimes called hunter's pot or, get this, slumgullion. What a perfect name. And finally, food scientists say as long as the broth is kept hot enough, bacteria can't survive. So the soup is safe to eat, even after decades. Now it's your turn to think about it. What about you? Would you try a soup that's been cooking since the 1970s? Do you think it would taste better? Or does the idea kind of weird you out? And what traditions from your family or your culture, like recipes or special meals, do you think should be preserved forever? From my own family, my grandma Bobby's rice pudding recipe was the best I ever had. Unfortunately, when she passed away, her recipe was lost to time. That's one I wish I could get back and have every day for dessert. That's it for today's tasty time-traveling episode of Believe It or Not. But next time, we're taking a wild turn into history with a very unusual soldier. He wasn't a man. He was a bear. Meet Wojtek, a Syrian brown bear who was adopted by Polish soldiers during World War II. He marched with them, lived with them, and even helped carry ammunition into battle. You won't believe this one, but it's all true. Until then, keep wondering, keep learning, and remember, sometimes the truth is weirder than fiction.